Hello kids and parents. I'm Teacher Slee, and today we will learn about numbers together. Are you ready? Let's go! Numbers help us count the things around us. Let's start from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Great job, everyone! Now let's learn about even and odd numbers. Even numbers can be divided into two equal groups. Odd numbers cannot. For example, 2, 4, 6 are even. 1, 3, 5 are odd. Easy, right? Time to practice. How many ice creams are inside the box? Yes, 2 ice creams. How many hats are inside the box? Correct, 5 hats. How many pineapples are inside the box? That's right, 3 pineapples. And how many avocados are inside the box? Yes, 6 avocados. Fantastic work! Great job today, kids and parents! Remember, numbers are everywhere. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.